being, I can understand the explanation
Spiritual being, yeah.
at the level of the physical
Yes.
being, but in terms of spiritual being, I do not understand because I don't know where the spirit resides. You've not been able to establish. You said the spirit resides in the brain. I've asked you what level of the brain and what part of the brain. I have a basic understanding of the brain. I wanted to know what part of the brain. You didn't tell me. So, where does the spirit reside?
Wow. I cannot pinpoint that the spirit actually resides in this section of the brain because I don't know that. I just know that at the level of your brain, the spirit interacts with your physical body, and
So,
that is
yeah, if by spirit, because your explanation of the spirit was you explain the impulses, the electrical activity of the brain as the
brain. Yeah, that is your spirit at work connecting
those
with your
signals.
body,
Yeah,
physical body.
those signals are not the spirit or anything. Maybe you can be talking about the idea, the complex idea of consciousness, which is a big problem in science because consciousness is not really understood. So, because the brain is quite complex, the brain is probably the most complex organ of the human body. And the idea of consciousness is also a very complex idea. So, if that is again your explanation of the spirit, I will just tell you that you're talking again about the God of the gaps. Science is going to understand, sooner or later, science is going to fully understand the brain, will be able to understand consciousness. I don't know what else you're going to call a spirit because once that has been explained, maybe your idea of spirit will change again.
For now, I believe science is admitting our own explanation of the spirit and how it lives on forever and ever, and that the state at which it lives, the consciousness, the body short of consciousness, is the state at which you find yourself in perpetuity, and that is the state in which you call hellfire.
Once you die, here's the thing.
The physical body is not conscious of anything again.
If your explanation of spirit is the neuronal impulses, your neuronal impulses are only active because you are alive. Okay, those
Yes.
neurons, they're shooting across those impulses are shooting across your neurons. They're able to make sense. In different parts of your brain. There's the area of the amygdala is responsible for fear. There is the different parts, the left cerebellum, the hypothalamus, the hippocampus, and all of those. They are responsible for different activities. When and the